If you want to set up a redirect URL from your cPanel, then this video is for you. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel, because if you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. And if you need any WordPress website, you may contact with us. So first you have to log in to your cPanel. So I am going to log in on my hosting. So Rbn Web Solutions /hosting. Actually, this is the best hosting for any WordPress website. If you want to make any website in WordPress, must use this hosting. To get this hosting, simply type Rbn Web Solutions /hosting. Then you will redirect to this page. Now we are going to sign in to our portal. Now log in and then click on Launch cPanel. After that, search for redirect and then click on redirects. If you want permanent redirect, then use 301, and if you want temporary redirect, then 302. Highly recommend 301. Then select your domain. So this is our domain, and then slash, it means flow with glow.org / suppose booking. When someone browse flow with glow.org / booking, then where the URL should go, suppose http://google.com, and then you have to select only redirect with www. Redirect with or without, and do not redirect www. So highly recommend redirect with or without www. And then click on add and go back. In the bottom, now you will see the redirection flow with glow.org / booking. When someone will go on this link, now that will redirect to google.com. So in this way you can easily redirect any link from your cPanel. Please subscribe our channel to get more helpful tutorial in future and stay connected with Rbn Web Solutions. Thank you.